When a customer came in reporting that the check engine light was on, I connected a scan tool to diagnose the issue. The scan tool revealed the code P0730, incorrect gear ratio. This code typically indicates a problem with the automatic transmission's ability to properly engage and maintain gear ratios. To investigate further, I cleared the code and increased the vehicle speed to observe how the automatic transmission operated. During the test, the code returned, and I noted that the second clutch pressure switch did not change state when the transmission attempted to shift. Next, I inspected the automatic transmission fluid level and condition. The fluid was at the proper level, but it showed signs of clutch material and had a burnt odor, which often points to internal wear or damage. I disconnected the second clutch pressure switch harness connector to inspect the terminals and found no visible faults such as corrosion or bent pins. With the ignition on, I used a multimeter to test for voltage at the connector and confirmed that voltage was present. I also tested the circuit for a short to ground and found no issues. To further diagnose the problem, I connected an oil pressure gauge to the second clutch pressure test port and performed a hydraulic pressure test. The measured pressure was below the specified range, indicating that the transmission was not generating sufficient hydraulic pressure for proper operation. To confirm the extent of the issue, I drained the transmission fluid for inspection and found evidence of clutch material and metal debris. This confirmed that the transmission assembly had internal damage, likely due to worn clutches and other components. Based on these findings, I determined that the transmission assembly was faulty and required replacement. After replacing the transmission assembly, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This step-by-step process was essential to accurately identify and confirm the root cause of the problem. Testing the hydraulic pressure and inspecting the transmission fluid provided critical evidence of internal damage. Replacing the transmission assembly was necessary to restore the vehicle's performance and reliability. Proper transmission function is essential for smooth shifting, optimal fuel efficiency, and preventing further damage to the drivetrain.